Yeah, baby! Yes! Yeah, dude! Good morning, everybody. Just took the reflectix off. It is 4:16. This is day 6. And we're on the way to the woods, the spot, and hopefully get Jeremiah a bird. So, got back last night and just crashed. So, it's a little windy this morning, but we shall see. Stay tuned. Pretty cloudy this morning. It was raining a little bit. And now we're just trying to find a bird. It was super windy as well, but the wind's kind of died down. The birds aren't where they normally roost, so try finding one. I never really get good video, but there's a skunk right here. Where is he?
He's right here.
Little skunk buddy. Hey, bud. Just running with the truck.
It'll be a long couple of days we get sprayed by him.
Bunch of deer. Where are all the turkeys at?
You heard that Tom over here or what? Have a good day.
Come on, birds. Guys, look at this. It's a great big herd of elk. That's pretty neat. Wow. There's elk everywhere. They're running all over. They're up in the trees. You can't really see them. I can't find the big ones right now either. But see, there's a clump of them up there. And there's also another bunch of them over here. Well, somewhere in our mess of the truck here, I ended up losing the big lens right now temporarily for the camera, so I couldn't get any cool shots of them elk. There's probably 100 elk in there. That's insane. That's pretty cool. It's the first time I've actually ever seen them like herded up like that when I'm hunting. And they're right up where I shot my bird the other day. And I hit a call right there, and ironically one gobbled, so I'm at the gate waiting for Jeremiah to get back. I'm gonna pick him up and then we're gonna boogie down there and see if we can get on that bird that was gobbling. So stay tuned, and hopefully we can get on a bird. Let's go. He's back up on that top. I wonder if we should just leave the truck here, try to get up on this hill and call. like we need that. No go. On to the next. We did her, guys. We freaking did her. We spotted a bird going through this big thicket right here behind me. I dropped Jeremiah off and I just kept driving down the road and he snuck in and got her done. He was able to get a shot off. Just pulled the bird back to the truck.
Shaking, boys.
Heck yeah. It sucks we couldn't really get it on video, but here he is. Hell yeah. Got decent hooks, kind of cool blonde. And we are tagged out old South Dakota Black Hills. Let's do that and then bend it over a little bit on the side maybe. Yeah, that's fine. Oh! Yes! Adios, hills. We won't be back in this part anymore this trip. We're now gonna focus on fishing the next 2 days.
Yes, sir.
Making a good old pity at Walmart. So we gotta grab some more crawlers and some baby wipes and we'll be back on the road. Let's see. Good old garlic scented. I think one's alright. Look at this selection in their sporting goods. It's insane. You got everything a trout fisherman would ever want. It's pretty awesome. Oh my gosh, it's got a collar on it. Just pulling into the campground. We're gonna stay at, hopefully stay at this place tonight. I don't know how you say it. Roubaix Lake? I don't know. Nice little campground. We checked it out the other day. Hopefully they have electricity. We can plug some stuff in, get some batteries charged. But yeah, as of right now, this is the plan to come and stay here tonight. Got a little map right here. And we're just gonna enjoy it now. Turkey tags are filled. And we're just gonna hang out, have a good night, and do some fishing. Maybe find some firewood. Have us a little bonfire. These gates are still closed. They haven't opened it all up yet, but we gotta drive just down here. It says camping, 1/4 mile, so. Pretty little campground. Kind of in the middle of the boonies. There's lake left and loop C. Looks like we got it all to ourselves now. This is beautiful. You can pull in any one of these. It's kind of convenient when you're sleeping in the truck. Even got nice little bathrooms here. Looks brand new. Somebody's down here probably fishing. Oh, I got the kayak out there. Ooh, yeah, there's the lake right there. Little parking spot down here. Oh. Voila. Just got to the campground, guys. Now we're taking some pictures of Jeremiah's bird. We're gonna get this all figured out. Organize the truck a bit, get stuff in the cooler. Don't have to worry about meat going bad, and then we're gonna do some fishing again this afternoon. We just got time to soak everything in now and just enjoy it. No more 4 a.m. mornings. Woo!
These are the only cigars I've ever smoked that I've actually enjoyed.
Enjoying a good stogie after some success. We did it, guys. We tagged out. Apologize if some of these videos have been subpar. Just been running and gunning, like no sleep, going to bed early. Haven't really been watching any movies at night. Waking up at 4. But now we got time. We're gonna do some fishing to end this trip out on a good note. And it's, I shouldn't say good, great note. But we've been running and gunning. It's been a hard, tough 6 days. But we got it done. Yes. I should see what we have to do here for pictures like this. I'll prop you up here. Got it on self-timer. Gets to be quite tedious. Phew. You may get off the pile. Got some pretty sweet pictures. Heck yeah. Ooh. Alrighty guys, I just got done taking some pictures. Some park guy came in, works for the park, and I stopped him and asked him about camping here. He said it's free and we're allowed to camp here year round, and they leave this one loop open for campers this time of year, and they don't start charging for a while yet, so that's good to know. Super nice. We got a place to stay. The only thing that does kind of suck is there is like no service whatsoever. Might need to find service here and there, but other than that, beautiful little lake, nice little campground, and we're gonna go to camp now, find a spot in the campground, park the truck, organize everything, and I think probably just make some food and chill for the day. It's been a damn good day.
Yeah,
I had this little rule: the second person to shoot a bird has to eat that bocce chip in the door.
okay, this is starting to sound like gun season now too. Roll on.
Alright, we are obviously in a huge mess right now, but we're just swapping some meat over to this cooler here. We got a bunch of fish and a bunch of meat. We're just trying to minimize some space, or maximize some space in that SetPower fridge. Let these wings and fan dry out just a little bit, and now we're gonna, these are mine, my bird, we're gonna stick this in this garbage bag here, wrap it up, keep it watertight, and that's how we're gonna bring them home. I don't know the correct way, I guess I can do this. And put the wings on top or bottom? Probably on bottom. Alright, he's triple bagged. Prop them my best I can right in here on top. Finally, time for some tennis shoes. Alrighty, it's finally time to take these boots off. Soggy wet boots. I want to give a huge shout out to Fitville for partnering with me for today's video. They sent me this nice pair of tennis shoes, and I'm gonna try them out. They look pretty comfy. They got arch and heel support. They have many options, and they also have options for people with really wide feet. So that's nice because I do have pretty wide feet and I have long feet. I wear like a size 13. So big shoe, but I'm gonna try these out for the next 2 days we're here. I'm gonna tie these laces. I've just pulled them out of the box, and I'm honestly impressed with the quality. They got really good cushion. Jeremiah, you can feel that. Tell me what you think. It's quite a bit of padding in there.
They feel good.
Yeah, arch and heel support, comfort technology, and they're just trying to make it easier for people to walk their daily lives and not get sprained ankles and sore feet. So thank you very much, Fitville. I appreciate it. You sending me these. I'm gonna try them out and get out of these boots, walk around, do some fishing. Might do some hiking. I don't know. We'll see. See how desperate we get to do whatever we're gonna do, but we have 2 days to do whatever now. But get all these pine needles off. I'm actually really impressed. I'm not even just saying that. I could fib you guys, but I'm not. These are actually super comfy, like really comfy, and I can feel the air. We got quite a breeze coming through here. Filtering through the top here of this mesh. And there's, as you can see right here, there's a lot of padding on these, and I can feel it too in my soles. Because my feet have been super sore the last couple days. And honestly, they feel really nice. Quality seems to be there, and they're definitely affordable too compared to a lot of tennis shoe brands out right now. These ones are definitely affordable compared to many competing brands, but I like these a lot. I'm gonna wear these down to the lake. We're gonna make some food quick. I'm gonna be using these for the rest of the day. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit further review after I've done some walking, but getting out of the nasty shoes, dudes, and boots after the last week of turkey hunting. Wearing some nice tennis shoes now, finally, brand new, right out of the box. Thank you again, Fitville. I appreciate it. And yeah, I'll be wearing these quite a bit, I think. Really seem to like them already. I feel pretty comfy. Alrighty, we have got camp. We might need to drive a little bit quick just to get some service. Let the womans know that we are in the middle of nowhere with no service. Alive, doing well.
Let everyone know that I killed a turkey.
Yep. And we just gave ourselves a little white bath shower, whatever you want to call it. And we feel much better. I'll tell you what, 6 days in a truck, 2 guys, no shower, gets to be a little rough. So, went right into that little outhouse back over there, wiped ourselves down, everything, our pits, I mean, body, everything. And got some new clothes on, fresh clothes. We're out of the camo, thank God. And we are feeling a heck of a lot better. Anyways, we're done with that. We're gonna make some food now, and then we are going to hit the lake for the afternoon. This is a new lake we never fished. Fingers crossed, we can get on some fish, and I'm bringing you guys along, so stay tuned. I mean, look at them things. Gosh dang, boy. If you guys like some cold beer, this thing does wonders. I normally just pop her open. You got plenty of room. I normally stick them right over here. We'll leave them in there for a bit, and we'll have a nice cold cerveza here before too long. Cold beer after a successful turkey hunt. Hard to beat.
It's hard to beat, especially when you're looking at one still. Flowing in the wind.
That's what it's all about. As our buddies say back home, seasoned butcher.
From field to table.
Got some steaks right here. We're gonna throw in the cooler. Plenty of room. Oh. Alright, I'm not gonna do a full body on this bird. He just doesn't have the beard I want for a full body. I know it's not about that, but I just don't think it'll look good in a mount, so I'm going to process this whole bird real quick, put him in the cooler, then hopefully get everything for his. I'm gonna do a back skin mount on it. Then after that, we'll get him all tucked away. Then we can go fishing, or eat food first, then go fishing. So I'm gonna get to it. Strictly GoPro.
1 foot. All you're really doing is just finding that joint right there, and you just want to slice right into it. So there's spurs in the beard.
Can't even believe it. It's kind of a bittersweet moment. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty sweet. A little less on the bitter, but throwing the camo in the bag. We don't need them anymore. We have had one heck of a journey, but honestly, this trip we put on at least 40 miles on the boots. Our feet are sore. We were ready to just have some beers, do some fishing, hang out, and eat some good food. We're gonna package his bird up, go find some service, come back, do some fishing. We're gonna be eating good tonight though. Stay tuned. Dead bait? Bill bait?
Sure.
I wanna go up that point. We made it. New spot, never fished. Cold cerveza in hand. Jeremiah's gonna try, I think, a spinner. I'm gonna try some bill bait. We got trout jumping right here. Give it a whirl, see what happens. If nothing, we're gonna move. But pretty stoked. It's nice being able to relax a little bit, be up in the hills.
Yeah.
What you got? What you got? Oh my gosh.
Little brook.
Freaking tiny. Beautiful though.
Mm-hmm. Long, really long. Eat everything. I'll let him go.
Is it a rainbow?
Yeah.
Oh shit, perfect eater. Nice.
That's the second one I've caught.
Rainbow?
Yeah.
Yeah. What a show off. It's a little rainbow, or yeah, it is a little rainbow. Look at that little guy.
Bud, that's way too big for you to want to eat.
Well, it's a good sign. Nice one. See, bud. Nice.
Catch by that short line.
I'm sure.
Why would I hold the GoPro if I wasn't recording?
Just look at that slimy little critter. Smashed it. I'm gonna knock him out. We're gonna keep him. He's a perfect eater. And it is now Jeremiah's turn. So. Oh. There you go. There you go. GoPro on.
It's a big one. Like a decent one.
Hell yeah.
Another good eater trout. In the bucket he goes.
Dude, he is running right at you. Oh my gosh. There we go. That feels like a good one, dude. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's a good eater. What do you think? Yeah. I'm gonna kebab him. And I look back and there he was right there right across your feet. There we go. Oh, I love it. This is a sweet little lake, dude. Oh, perfect size. Perfect size. Nice little rainbow right there. Jeremiah's gonna hopefully finishes it off. I'm gonna keep this one. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. What? He got off. We're at shore. Yours? Yeah, I tried boat flipping him. What do you want from me? Get away. Chipmunk or what? Yeah. He's trying to fight me. Come down here. He's coming down here right now. There you go. GoPro on? Yeah. Must be a nice one. Either. Need what? One more? Yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I can see it on the thing. That is a dead battery from our inverter to our fridge. So we gotta figure something out here. What's for dinner?
Steaks.
What kind of steak?
They say rib steaks, but I think that means ribeye, so we're going with ribeye. Safety first, kids. We're using a butter garlic rub
From?
the Seasoned Butcher.
Cheers, y'all. Alright, Jeremiah and I are making some food. This is from the Seasoned Butcher. This is who we partnered with on JWD and WesVentures. It smells delicious. It says right here, rub, liberally and let sit overnight in the refrigerator to develop flavor. Perfect on ribs, brisket, pork butts, or poultry. Sadly, we're hungry. We don't have all night. So we're just going to sprinkle this on. Let it sit for maybe 20 minutes or so. And we're going to throw it on. It smells so good.
Mm-hmm. Alright,
There we go. Give that about 20. Throw some butter in the pan. Get some steaks going. And be eating good before too long here. We got a whole nother pack of steaks yet too. So we're hungry and we have a lot of food to make.
Mm-hmm.
There you go, guys. Ooh. It's definitely thickened up a little bit. Mix that in.
There's a bell right here.
Yeah, that's ours. Unbelievable. Just hammered. Crazy. There you go. There you go. Rookie.
Oh.
Nice one.
Yeah, not bad.
Rainbow or rookie?
Rainbow. Thanks for playing, bud.
Couple of geese. Alrighty, guys, we're back to camp. As you can see, we hit this new lake up. We got a nice pile of trout. We got our limit. Look at that, nice rainbows, perfect eaters. Super fun. Let a lot go too. But yeah, we smashed the fish, and we are gonna hop in the truck here. Probably watch a movie, just chill out, and get in the back seat and just enjoy it. Don't have to wake up super early tomorrow. We can sleep in a little bit, get the whole campground pretty much to ourselves. There's one guy just down the way beyond the outhouse there. He's camping, but can't see him. Anyways, kind of a lot of stuff in one video. We made some food, did some fishing, and Jeremiah got us turkey today, so wish we could have got better video of that, but you know what? It happens. It's hard to get video on the go when you're running and gunning. But we're out here, the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota, and we got probably, I'd say, one more video to come. So anyways, I think we're gonna do some more fishing tomorrow too, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Love y'all, and I'll see you in the morning. Good night. What do you guys say?
It's bedtime. It's bedtime. Bedtime. And we've been up for like 17 hours, so we're kind of tired, so. Get out of my bed. It's time to go night-night.
Good morning, everybody.
Oofed. Finally got to sleep in a bit.
It's a little moist. I think today we're gonna strictly do some fishing, make some good food. It's our last day here in South Dakota, and we're leaving really early tomorrow morning. I'm gonna film one more for today, leading into tonight. So I'm still rocking the Fitville tennis shoes. Used them all yesterday afternoon. Now I'm using them again this morning, and so far I'm really impressed. So if you guys would like to check them out yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. Also, if you guys would like, discount code WesV30, and you could actually get 30% off your order. So check them out if you guys would like. All right, well, that's gonna be what I end to this video. We're leaving tomorrow morning really early, so sadly, yeah, it's about that time. Got to get back though, and anxious to see Lauren and the kids, so it's all right. But anyways, thanks again, guys. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. I'll see you in a bit. Alrighty. For those of you that made it this far in the video, thank you very much. I want to give you a little bit of an update. I'm actually still wearing the Fitville shoes. It is now almost August. I've been using them for the last several months since we got back from South Dakota. I apologize for the inconsistency in the videos. Been having to work overtime, mandatory at work, and trying to get stuff done with the family and spend quality time with them. And I'm still filming, so I've been filming. Got one more video from South Dakota coming up after this, and then it's back to Wisconsin. I've been filming in Wisconsin. I got videos, just got to get them edited. And I'm not stopping, so I'm hoping to get more consistent when these South Dakota videos are done. So thanks again. I really love you guys, and definitely recommend checking out Fitville. I think they're definitely worth the money, and I've been using them ever since. They're a little dirty now, but they seem to hold true, and I'll definitely be getting another pair. Anyways, peace out, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Love y'all.